Hello there, my name is Sigi. In March, I want to set a world record for dinghy sailing to raise money for the charity supporting people with primary sclerosing cholangitis, a disease of the liver which could affect anyone. Currently, there is no treatment. A big thank you to the local businesses who have supported the effort so far. To make a donation, please follow the link to my Just Giving page in the description below the video. These are my training sessions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.